Welcome to GTS Global Tech Solutions. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a golden reflective 3D text with animation in After Effects. Create a new composition and name it. Set width and height of video to 1920 by 1080. Set frame rate to 30. Set duration to 5 seconds. Go to 3D Render tab and select Cinema 4D, and click OK button. Select the Type tool from Toolbar and type something like 3D. Go to Toolbar again and select Selection tool. Then select the text layer and press S on the keyboard to increase the scale of the text. Drag the text down. Now make the text layer 3D by checking the 3D box. Go to Layer, then New, and select Camera, and set preset to 35mm, then click OK. Select the Camera Orbit tool and rotate the camera slightly so we can see the text from the side. Select the Selection tool, then open the geometry options for the text and set bevel style to angular and extrusion depth to 50. Now go to Layer, New, and select Light and set light type to parallel. Color to white and intensity 100. And Cast Shadows is on, click OK. We have light on our text. Set the views to 2 views. Select the left screen and set view to active camera. Select right screen and set it view to top. We're going to use the top view to adjust the positions of our lights. Select the light and place it to the bottom left corner like that. And then you get this point of interest that you can point the light towards and simply point it toward the text like that. Now select the light layer and press Ctrl D to duplicate it. Drag the duplicated light to the other side, so the bottom right corner, and do the same with the point of interest. Simply pointed towards the text like that. Now we'll select both of these lights and press Ctrl D to duplicate them, and move them across to the other side, so they would be behind our text too. Point both of those two to the text as well. Set the views to 1 view. And set it to active camera. Now we will create the reflection. Download any reflection map image from Google. Create a new composition and name it Map. Go to File, Import File option and import reflection map image, or right-click on Project Panel, select Import, then File and Import Image. Now drag the image to Layer panel. Then select Image and press S to scale and make image little big. Make sure you are at the beginning of the timeline, press P for position. Create keyframe for a full position. Then go all the way to the end of the timeline and slightly move the image to create a slight movement. Go back to the render composition from Project Panel, drag, and drop the map composition below all layers. Now right-click on it and select Environment Layer. Open up the properties of the text. Go into the material options and enable the cast shadows and set the reflection intensity to 100. Set specular shininess to 50. Now to animate the text. Select the camera, open its properties, transform and create keyframes for point of interest and position. Make sure the indicator is at the start of the timeline. Select the second camera tool and slightly move the text to left. Now go to End of Timeline. Select the third camera tool and zoom in. Select the second camera tool and slightly move the camera to the right in the end. Now go to File, select Save As and save your work. If you want to make video of it, then go to File, then Export and select Add to Render Queue. Select Best Setting and press OK button. Click Lossless and select Video Format. AVI format will take large disk space, try to avoid it. If you already installed QuickTime, you can export it in movie format, or download Vocoder plugin for MP4 format. I will use Vocoder. Now on Output to set file name and press Save button. Finally, click Render button and the rendering will start. It will take little time. When rendering is complete, you can open the file and play your video. Hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe for more tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.